Okay, guys, thanks for visiting the 1045 report. I got a few questions on how to sign up for those indicators on TradingView. So, to begin with, let's go to TradingView. Let's see here, ADING. There it is. All right, TradingView. Okay, so now what you want to do is first you go to launch chart. Now, before we go any further, guys, unfortunately, this is a paid site. Kind of sucks, but yeah, it's something like $20-$30 a month to get all the indicators. I got grandfathered in about a year ago before they did that, so I actually don't have to pay. And you know, if you guys are paying, I don't get any kickback. I don't make 50 cents off it. You're just paying to use the indicator suite package on their site. But anyway, you could join up for free and just use a few indicators for free. So I'm going to just show you how to do that. So you launch chart, okay, and then it just gives you some generic Apple chart. Now, when you first come here, you're going to see something like this. Okay, you're going to see like side action. You just want to get rid of that by going to this line right here that goes all the way up and down. Find the line. There, you get an arrow like that and just move everything over. Okay. So now to get the indicators, right up here at the top, you'll see like a squiggly line like right here. This is where all the indicators are. Okay. Right here you have a public library, which is basically authors that have written their own indicators that are pretty good. And then usually the top ones are better to see, they have more likes, and as you scroll down, and it really goes down almost like you could spend like 15 minutes trying to get to the bottom, but it has all like custom indicators. Right up here are the built-ins. These are the indicators that that come with the site, and there's not that many of them. So anyway, the way you construct something like my 45-minute chart is you have to look at the indicators I had and type them in and find them. So for example, I have a list here of all the indicators I used, and the top one on the list is Super Trend version 1.0, and the next one is, well, I'll just have to show you because my writing sucks. So the first one is Super Trend 1.0. So right here in the search box, we're going to write Super Trend. And then right here you see it's this. Okay? So we click it, and then we hit X to see if it applied. And it did. Alright, so we have our first indicator overlaid on there. And I forgot to tell you that if you wanted to do QQQ, which I suggested you do, is you go over here and then you hit QQQ. Okay? And then you select that. Alright, and then let's see, you want not the daily, you want the 45-minute. Alright, so then you go like this. Boom, 45 minutes. Now we got more stuff to look for. So back to here, this icon right here, and we're going to continue to type stuff in. So the next one on the list is CM Ultimate MA. So we're going to type that in, CM. Okay. Ultimate, oh, there it is. CM Ultimate MA. Okay, we're going to click that. And once again, we hit X right here. And now we're building our cart here. We're building my trading rig. So that's the second thing I have on there. Then the third thing you could skip. Fractal, don't need it. Okay. Fourth thing is you do want is the CM Slingshot System. So we're going to go back to this. Click that. And then I'm going to write CM again. CM. And let's see if this shows up. Slingshot System. Let's scroll down over here. That's a little tight scroll bar. CM Slingshot. I don't see it. Okay. Space Sling. There it is. Okay, ta-da. So click that. And click this. And that's even more. Okay, let's see what else I got on my list. We want Pepanek PPO. Okay. Actually, you could skip that. Don't need it. I don't use it, even though it's on my list. Now, the next one I can't find. It's TDI-LB, and it's the one that, and I'll show you in a little bit. I'll show you a little bit where that is. And let's see, the CM Williams VIX Fix. We do need that. So let's go to here. CM Williams VIX Fix. And it should be towards the top. Okay, space William. No. Fix. See, the thing is, syntax is everything on here. Syntax is everything. Let's go back to CM. Let's get rid of that, which is pain in the ass. I think you know what I'm talking about if you're into computers. I think it's under Chris Moody. This dude's got a lot of stuff. Alright, we're going to have to go back. 1 second. Let's click that out. Alright, so the next one is CM Williams VIC Fix, and I can't find that. And this is what I suggest you do. Go to the picture of what I posted on the site and click it to make it large, and look at what it is, because I'm having problems finding it myself. Let me see. CM Williams. Nothing. It's there. Trust me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video now, and I just gave you the beginning of what to do to take a look at it, to find it. So that's how you find it, to build a rig. But unfortunately, it's going to require exact syntax while I'm typing it in. So what I'm going to do is leave this page and go to my actual rig on my other site where it's already built. Okay. Close that. Trading view. And show you what's written down so you could go and find it yourself. So 1 second, let me go to the 45-minute chart. 45. Because to tell you the truth, to go back and go down that whole list will take me about an hour and a half, and I don't know if I got enough video here to do that. So it's going to require me to turn the phone off and do more investigation and do another video. So I can help you definitely build your cart copying mine. Okay. So this is the whole thing. So you want the one that looks like this. Unfortunately, I couldn't find that in there. And all right. So anyway, I gave you a starting point. Try to copy my rig from screenshots that I already put on there. And I'm going to go back on, and I'm going to go through that whole list and find the ones that are syntax. And then I'm going to print the list. Okay, I understand this is kind of bullshit, and I really didn't solve what you were trying to find, but I only partially did. So I'm going to print the list so that you could type it in yourself. Okay, because some of these, you know, they're written on the screen, but then when you go into the search function, it can't find it because it's not written like this, which is like, you know, what's the deal with that? So it's going to require more work on my part. So what I'll do is I'll find all this, and I'll post a list on my on the page of all the indicators I use, so that you could definitely type them in, and so that you can use them. But anyway, that's the starting point of how to build your rig and how to navigate the site of TradingView. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, please leave it underneath this video. And once again, please stand by for a list, and I should post that tomorrow. All right, thanks a lot, guys.